Okay, guys. Okay, this is a new update, but I have something to show you guys. Okay, so I know this sounds weird, but I have a pet crow. He's still a baby. Pete! Pete! He likes to eat dog food. It's like, so he's my pet. And I just wanted to do a new update with him in it. Pete, come here. See, he's trying to eat my finger. We feed him lots of dog food. Today we went to Walmart and got some new dog food for him because we ran out with the other bag. So I usually just like to pick the food up and give it to him. See, ow! Hey! He'll eat it off my hand. But sometimes it hurts because he pecks at me. But yeah, I'm sorry that I haven't done an update in a while. So, I got him. Likes to get on my legs. And he likes to peck at my feet. Ow! Dude, that hurts. Ow. He likes pecking at me a lot. He's a little brat too. Like if I go like this, he'll think it's worms. Here's another crow. There's another crow around here, that's what he hears. But, like, he can play fetch. Like, oh, are you okay? Freak. So I'll get this little stick. Pete. Pete. Then you have to let him see it. And then, boop, throw it. He'll get it. No. But sometimes he doesn't take the stick back. It's like, he's trying to get it. Boom. Good. Now he got it. Thank you. Oh yeah. But like for his treat, we get a piece of food and give it to him. So take some food. Then give him a piece of food. Come back over here. Ready? Go get it. Then I give him a piece of food. And take, oh. Okay. Ready? Go get it. Oh, it's kind of far. I don't think that's the same stick. But I'll give you a piece of food. And you broken it. And he likes pecking at my feet. Ready, Pete? We named him Pete because my brothers. No, no. Go get it. Well, that was kind of pretty far, and he's not getting it. And so say I'm sitting down. Okay. Pete. He jumps on my legs. Okay, so that's a lid, because if I could get my hair, we put blue in my hair, and like we did the tips. My hair's pretty long, but that's the lid to it, and he freaking won't give it back. Give me. This is not for. Ah! Don't get mad at me. You're not supposed to be eating lids, dude. Yeah. And he likes to chill in my backyard. Yeah. Oh, your first feather. Okay, so he's still a baby. So this is his first feather. And he loves his feather. So no. No! My brother has a bottle. Try to bite it. No. No. He's definitely a bird with some attitude. But like, it's fun for him, because in our backyard we have woods, and it goes back. So that's this is part of our backyard. But then we have all this. It's really messy right now. Trampoline. It's really messy right now because we're doing some work on it. But like, we have sticker bushes and stuff. My brother likes to play on that. But it's really good for him since we have bushes for him to like hang out. No! To hang out in. Say hi. We named him Pete. He likes to bite on my finger a lot. Freaking no! He's trying to get my freaking mom's lighter. No. He poops on every single chair. It's not even funny. Like, look at our porch because of him. There's so much doo-doo. But this dude poops all day. But his eyes, they were freaking light blue. And he's trying to eat my phone. They were light blue. Now it's like that. They're dark. And he's trying to eat my freaking phone. Yeah, say hi. Oh God. Yeah, but his eyes are so beautiful. Like, he puts his head down so like we can pet him. Yeah, get over here. And that's all I have for you guys. Bye.